Hey, what up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail and joining me today. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me, Shug. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so we got another synthetic wig review today, and this unit comes from Main Concept. This is one of their HD skin melt units. I've never tried it, so it's new to me. I have her in the style RCHS201. Amy is her name. That's the important part. And I have her in the color SR1B/30. Now, this unit claims to come with a lot of benefits. Claims to come with this realistic pre-plucked part, a wide 5-inch deep lace part, natural hairline and baby hairs, and HD transparent lace. So let's go ahead and get right on into this review and see if all these benefits are true.
Tell them I need my money right now. Brought me the juice, they stole out my crown. Yeah. Sorry to tell you, I know my value. I'm gonna recoup, yeah. Don't waste my loyalty. I let you in back then because I couldn't see, but now it's clear you ain't ever been true to me. My intuition ain't ever lied, I had to leave. Handle your business, do what you think you need to do to get your revenge. But you won't break me, God as my witness. Past the point of no return, I'm on a mission. Tryna block my blessings, but no need for comparisons. What's from me won't be from me. Yeah, I'ma go through just to grow through. But pay me what you owe me for, I make what you've been saying about me true. Tell them I need my money right now. Brought me the juice, they stole out my crown. Sorry to tell you, I know my value. I'm gonna recoup, yeah. Don't waste my. Tell them I need my money.
Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get into my thoughts on Miss Amy here. Let me tell y'all, Miss Amy has been sitting on the shelf, has even been put in a box during my move since December. Like, who does that other than me? Well, actually, no. I know some people out there are doing that too, because y'all be commenting down below, girl, I done had some wigs on my shelf for a long time too. Yeah, I'm not the only one. You're not gonna toe tag me as the only one. So yes, I literally have had this since December, but like, I'm so glad I put her off the shelf. It's a whole lot I like about this wig and only one or two things I don't. So let's dive in. First and foremost, this color. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, we are serving this color with the dark roots and the 30 ends. Whew. Beautiful. Texture. We got a little combo going on of a light silky, but we got some yak up in here, y'all. Light silky and light yaki. Very nice texture. When I tell y'all, this hair feels amazing. It is so human hair like. It is beautiful. I am so impressed. We got a little light to medium density. It's like that nice in between. It ain't like super thin, but it ain't too full. It's that nice in between, y'all. Oh my goodness, there's so much I like about this wig. Now, yeah, I added a few little swoops here in the front. You ain't gotta do that. It's unnecessary. I almost like scooped it away. After I did my swoops, I almost swooped them scoops away, but I didn't. It's just unnecessary. You don't really need them, to be honest. Got a little bumped ends, which is very nice. Love that. I honestly do feel like somebody went in and plucked this hairline just a little bit. Somebody did some plucking up in here. Y'all know I'm a stickler for the hairline. Somebody did a little plucking up in here. They really did. So, like, I can't even be mad. I feel like the cap is nicely fitted. It's not too small. Like, I feel like I got a little room up in here. And it's a breathable cap. Hello. If I need to scratch back here, I can get up in there on my real scalp. Hello, somebody. That thing is real. People don't talk about that, but it's real when you can get to that scalp and you got a little scratch back here. All right, so let's talk about the price of Miss Amy. She has a little price range of $35 to $45, y'all. That's in that nice, affordable range. Of course, I will leave a shopping link down in the description box below. Feel free to check her out if you are interested, sis. All right, y'all, so that's really all I got. I'm trying to, like, not keep you here forever. I thank y'all so much for watching. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me a nice little red diamond that you see right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and I appreciate you more than you know. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I would love to communicate with you there as well. Alright guys, I will see you all in my next video. I appreciate you. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. I'll see you in the next video.
My energy, I don't got much, don't be wasting all my energy. I keep it tight, don't let nobody get close to me. My heart is right, don't question.